You think you know your body, but you've never seen what's really happening inside. Every bite, every sip creates a biological storm. Some things inside you are watching. Food doesn't just disappear, it transforms. We reveal digestion, parasites, organs, and hidden reactions. This is BioVortex 3D. Enter the body, witness the truth.